Boom shakalaka, I have never seen a setup like this for Bitcoin and for altcoins. Stay tuned. What's up everyone, Randall here from Crypto Love. Today's video, I have never seen a setup like this in 7 years for Bitcoin and for altcoins. Before we get into things, guys, like the video, come join us on Twitter at @CryptoLove, and subscribe to the OG Bitcoin and Crypto YouTube channel, making daily videos since 2017. Now, today, Fear and Greed 86, extreme greed. We are getting extremely greedy. The very beginnings of froth coming back to the market in 4 years. I missed it oh so much. The overall market up 3% today. Bitcoin at 91,163, Ethereum at 3164, Solana 217, BNB 626, XRP $1.03, Dogecoin 37 cents, Cardano 75 cents, and Tron 19 cents. Now, Bitcoin, after breaking out of this bull flag that it was in for like 8 months, what seemed like forever, if you take from the bottom to the breakout point, well, we've hit the 2.618 fib level, which is right about at $93,000, $94,000. Price might come back a little bit, find support on the way back up, but if it doesn't, the next stop, roughly about $110,000. Things are starting to get very, very exciting. And if you are looking to trade Bitcoin in this cycle, check out the link for BitFi down in the description. Not only is it 0% fees on spot trades, but using that link, you get VIP status for life, which gets you a 20% discount on leverage trading, which is dangerous, but 20% discount. Now, if we take a look at Bitcoin, you can see it is doing almost exactly what it has done every single other market. This takes a look at the 2016 and 2020 bull markets averaged and scaled to this year with standard deviations on both sides, pretty much following the center line, the average to a T. As soon as that took off, this took off as well. And taking a look at this, things could get pretty ridiculous. I mean, look at the price predictions over on the side if it follows it perfectly, which it has been doing so far. We have Bitcoin right now nearing all-time highs against the NASDAQ. Not only that, but you can clearly see this is an inverse head and shoulders, which should push it much, much higher. It's about to leave everything in the dust. And when it does that, oh my goodness, there's going to be so much money flooding into Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. And guess what? Fixed supply of Bitcoin. Holy freaking cow. Now, some people are saying, but what, I mean, cycle top is in, right? Can't go much higher. Well, not exactly. If we take a look at this, the Bitcoin energy value, right now, Bitcoin price is right at the energy value. And if we take a look at any previous bull market cycle, it goes well above those levels. So there is still quite a way to go for Bitcoin price if history repeats. The Satoshi meter right now is saying we are still very far away from the top. Right now, it is at 13 today, which is a midpoint level in terms of the Satoshi meter, not even close to cycle tops. If we take a look at this, probably somewhere between another 3 to 12 months of bull market incoming, generally touches first time, second time these bands before we see a price pump all the way to the top. So we likely have a lot of time. Now, if we do start going towards those top levels, taking a look at this Bitcoin pitchfork channels, we've hit the 1 right here, which is $90,000. The next level, the 2, $200,000 per Bitcoin. Strap yourself in. Things are going to go bananas. And if we take a look at the Bitcoin quantile model, the FOMO is just starting, and I really think it hasn't even started yet because we took a look yesterday or the day before at Google searches for Bitcoin and for crypto, and it is nowhere near all-time highs. So I think the FOMO may have just started, but it's barely even started yet. Right now, getting close to the 66th quantile and the 99th quantile, where we have seen previous all-time highs. Man, that's close to $300,000 per Bitcoin. But this is probably one of the most exciting charts. Have not seen this in 7 to 8 years for Bitcoin. Only happened once before in Bitcoin's history. This is Bitcoin and the EMA Bollinger Bands is this red line right here. One other time in Bitcoin's history has price broken out from there. And look at what Bitcoin did after that. Pretty much did 100x. Could we see 100x for Bitcoin? That would be legendary generational wealth for pretty much everybody. But regardless, we're in for a massive bull run coming soon. Altcoins echoing as well. We have something big brewing. You can see that this 7-year trend line has held. Cycle looks very similar to the previous one. Probably something brewing. If we take a look, people are starting to panic a little bit, but it seems like the run is just beginning. Altcoins total 2 have finally broken out of a reaccumulation pattern. You can see double bottom, reaccumulation, breakout. Both times this signaled massive pumps for altcoins. The fun is still to come. This is literally just the beginning. We have just broken out of accumulation, just broken that downtrend, and then that's when the fireworks start. And I think we're starting to see it with some coins right now. Meme coin mania on the way. DOGECOIN, next stop, probably close to $1. And then further after that, and if DOGECOIN goes up, so does every single other meme coin on the face of the planet and many other altcoins. So things are about to get very, very exciting. Strap yourself in. This is what we've been waiting for years, and it does appear like it's finally here. So that's all for this episode. If you enjoyed it, like the video, join us on Twitter to love, subscribe to the channel, and also YouTube says watch that video right there. I'll catch you later. Have a good one. Love you. Peace.
If you don't think Bitcoin's going to $1 million a coin and then $10 million a coin, you're already a loser.
From now on, if you don't own Bitcoin, you're a moron.